Hi everyone, this is me Deshmitra Yadav from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my B.Tech in Electronic and Communication in 2015. Excellent and full test module provided by Evision. Live classes and self-paced videos are well structured and covering most of the module. Placement team also conducted telephonic and WebEx interview practices and personality development session. Overall development helps a lot in my placement. I had joined on 5th June 2022 after 45 days completing my online job internship. This online program had helped me to immersive knowledge about IT path. I am happy to say that then I got placed IBM with salary offered 2.64 LPA. Overall, it was a good experience and thank you very much Evision and their placement team. Thank you.